Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. The Eufy Solo IndoorCam P24 is a 2K resolution indoor security camera packed with many smart features. In this video, I will show you the installation, setup, and review of all the smart features. First, let's talk about the main features. 2K resolution, crystal clear recording quality, wide field of view from pan and tilt feature, smart AI detection and object checking, real-time two-way audio communication, works with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. The current price is listed at $54.99 at Eufy's official website. If you use my referral link below, there is a time-limited promotion of $10 off. Now let me open it and take a look. Installation. There are 3 ways to install the camera. You may simply place it on a table or shelf, mount it on the wall, or mount it on the ceiling. Be aware that you do need to connect the camera to a power outlet, so the easiest way would be putting it on a table near an electrical outlet.
The Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Setup was successful.
In the live stream view, you may adjust the viewing position of the camera. You may press the speak icon to talk over the speaker. Hello. Now let's take a look at the app settings. Tap the 3-dot icon to get to the settings. You may set snooze duration to temporarily disable the alerts. Tap the gear wheel icon to get more options. In the motion detection settings, you may set up activity detection zone. You may select the type of object you want to detect. You may detect human, pet, and all motions. You may set motion detection sensitivity and turn on or off motion tracking. In the sound detection setting, you may turn on or off sound detection, select the type of sound to be detected, and change the sound detection sensitivity. In the pan and tilt setting, you may change the default position of the viewing angle, set the rotation speed, and perform calibration. In the pet command setting, you may set a pre-recorded audio that will play automatically when a pet is detected in the activity zone.
Hey, what are you doing there?
In the video settings, you may turn on or off auto night vision, change watermark, change streaming quality, change recording quality, or set up continuous recording. In the audio settings, you may enable or disable microphone, audio recording, speaker, and change speaker volume. In the notification settings, you may select the type of detection you want to be notified. You may set an interval time for delayed recording after event notification. You may change how the notification will be displayed. You may also change the notification sounds. In the general setting, you may change the device name, enable or disable status LED, set up storage methods, set up HomeKit integration, change Wi-Fi network, change time format or time zone, and reveal the mounting guide. In the Share Device function, you may share device control to your family member. Here are my final thoughts of this indoor camera. The pros are 360-degree horizontal and 96-degree vertical wide field of view, multiple smart features, affordable price, doesn't require subscription. The cons are cannot set on or off schedule, no geofencing integration. Overall, the Eufy Solo IndoorCam P24 is a great indoor camera packed with plenty of smart features, while at an affordable price. It's definitely worthwhile to be added to your smart home ecosystem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!